Hold on. Boom.
Oh, ready?
Boom.
You know what? I'm gonna what happened to just the movie thing, right? Did we lose the budget for that too? You got me. Hey guys, I'm Terrence.
I can find one.
Right, you can find one. You probably need to do that. Well, if you do it, who's gonna hold the camera? Okay.
I can do both.
I better start because they're probably waiting.
I'll work on doing both.
Hey, I'm sorry to put you guys on hold. We're discussing about some camera things, some action, so I can be on time.
Yeah.
Oh, you're not gonna do it still?
Oh, I can do action.
Can you do action?
Action.
Okay. Hey guys, I'm Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway Street 154 in Acworth, Georgia. I'm standing here in an ugly sweater. And as far as our promotion here,
Homemade.
Homemade. So you know what? It's fine. And if you want to be part of this great contest, come into Computers Plus, come into your ugly sweater, get judged by your peers, and we're going to find out who's number one in Cobb County, and you're going to win a great prize.
We only have one entry so far.
One entry?
We only have one entry so far.
Come on down. What you know what? This is kind of. I think I'm going to wear this to the next Christmas party. I'm going to just put a bunch of because it's ugly. Is it ugly or is it nice? I got the Ryzen 9. I got my DDR2. I got my candy cane. I got my disc. Speaking of discs, if you have any VHS tapes or any discs and you need to convert them digitally, we can do that for you through Computers Plus. A lot of people don't know that, Kat, that we can do that. VHS tapes.
We're actually doing that over at Cartersville right now.
Yeah, and also microfiche or 8mm. We just did that customer that had 8mm. So if you guys have any of those old collections, those great Christmas collection, mom and dad probably when they were, you probably got your mom and dad's basement and you see those old reel-to-reels and you want to convert those into a digital device or digital format for maybe a great Christmas script. You can do that here.
We did that last year.
We have that services that can actually do that for you guys. So that's awesome. Thank you, Kat, for giving me a chime in. And so the ugly sweater, Kat, what we're doing is that someone, like you said, someone walks in with the ugly sweater, you guys get judged by your peers, and what do you possibly win? First place gets an Apple laptop, second place gets a Windows computer, and third place gets another fun gadget that we have here at Computers Plus. We have 3 great locations, one in Cartersville, one in Acworth, and one in Kennesaw. So I invite you guys to come down and show us some ugly sweaters. Aside from that, we got some great deals going on here at Computers Plus. I won't go into the detail, but if you need some flexible assistance during those Christmas days, check out our rent-to-own program at computersplususa.com. Click that purchase option, and we've got 6 different lenders, right, Kat? 6 different lenders that can get you guys the funding that you guys need, especially just into that holiday season. You need a little cushion because what's after the holidays? We get that tax season, so we can just get that taken care of, right? Hey, guys, thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Terrence, your computer concierge. Make sure you show up in your ugly sweater and win that prize.
Woohoo!